everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my finished jewelry for the January bargain bead box titled Midnight Skies. So we're going to start out with, and two of these I have tutorials for. I will leave the links below. So this is the first one I'm showing you, and there is a tutorial for this. And I just used the labradorite and the little mermaid bead right there and the little moons, and just put them on head pins, or eye pins, shall I say. And I made this. So I made 3 necklaces. So this is the first one. I love the way this one turned out. I think it turned out so pretty. And I used the toggle clasp. And then this is my second one. This is kind of like a boho. It's an eclectic piece. It's got the labradorite there, and then I used a hexagon hematite. I actually got this at Michael's. Somebody asked me in the comments where I got it from, so I got this from Michael's. And it's been sitting in my drawer. I hadn't used it, and so I pulled it out because I liked the AB finish on it. You know, so it gave it kind of a little bit of color. And then these beads, these are 3-hole beads. I did get these from, did I get these from Adorable Elements or Bargain Bead Box? I did say it in the tutorial. So I have a tutorial for this. And what it is it's 2 strands on one side and 1 strand on the other. And it's attached with some 2-hole beads, and then it goes separates. And then it attaches again with some more 2-hole beads. So I love the way this one turned out. And then I have my little dangles here at the bottom. I like to do very random pieces. So, you know, and mix metals and colors and everything. So, yeah, I think jewelry should be fun. So yeah, and I have it attached, you know, all 3 of the pieces come through there, and then they spread out again. So I love the way this one turned out. Let me put this here. And then my last one I made, I used this labradorite moon pendant, and I made a really cool choker with it. So I pulled out some of my teal colored seed beads. I think these were 8-0, and I mixed them with the 11-0 blue metallic turquoise ones, but you can't really see the turquoise in between the green. So it's kind of cool because it has a, you know, it just kind of gives it more of a, like an ocean effect. Like if you look at the ocean, how it's got different colors in it, that's what that reminds me of. And then I did use my own silver antique bead caps, and then I used like 10 of my pink seed beads. Those are 8-0, I think. And then I just used the glass beads from there and some more of the labradorite. And then I just put it on wire guard and a lobster clasp. So I have that, and I did this. And I did this. So my other, this pendant that I did the tutorial on, I pretty much stayed with just the colors of the bargain bead box. And then this one, I liked to mix it up. I wanted to do a little bit of like this teal green. Let me see if I have the beads right in front of me. Yeah, this is them right here, teal green. And look how pretty they are. Let me open them up. Yeah, let's see how pretty those are. So I thought it would look pretty in between those other colors. And I just add that little pink in the front. And then this is the blue that I used. I think I get these at Michael's. Check seed beads. And I really like these. They, you know, the colors don't fade on them or anything. They're really well made. same size. And then for this, I had the hematite, and then I did the pink. I think these were glass beads. Yeah, they were pink glass. And then I just kind of separated everything in between. So I was really happy with the way these turned out. Not sure what everybody thought of this month's box. I wasn't the biggest fan of this month. I really didn't use a lot of the moon, and I'm not the celestial type, I guess you could say. I'm more of the, but I do like the boho, so it doesn't really make sense why I don't like, I like one but not the other, but I did like this pendant. This was pretty. So, and I did use a few of the moon pieces. I love when we get like the copper findings with their stuff, or the antique brass. Those are my favorite, with maybe some rich reds, and you know, I made some really pretty stuff from that. So we will see what they're sending us for next month. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know down in the comments what you guys made and how you like this month's box. And you can follow me. I will leave all my links below to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook pages. So, and if you want to follow me on YouTube and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, so you never miss it, because I have lots coming this year in 2023. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and you have a great day. I will see you soon in my next video.